This to you, our band. On lead guitars, Bong Paalam. On rhythm, Bambi Roa. On keyboards, Leo Cadete. On bass, Bjorn Pae. On drums, Lloyd Bass. And our vocalists, Lani Pao, Maricel Borromeo, Camille Banaynal, Carl Ravanes, and Charisse Fabio. Okay, so brothers and sisters, as they prepare here, just like to ask you to sing with us. You know, we all know that as we enter into this great adventure weekend, you know, God wants us to show your true colors, and that is to be a brother and sister to everybody in this conference. Okay, sing with us. Let them show true colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Don't be a smile, don't be unhappy, can't remember when I last saw you laughing. This world makes you crazy, then you're taking all you can do. Just call me up, and you know. Come on, everybody now. And I see your true colors shining through. And I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show the true colors. The true colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. A composition by our band. Okay, to introduce you, our brother Carl Ravanes.